welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing a look inspired by this little head wrap, and why I'm wearing this is because on the 30th of March there's a annual celebration for a particular religious group in Trinidad and Tobago, and they are the spiritual Shout-A-Baptist, and this day commemorated the day of which they no longer had a law that restricted them from carrying on their particular beliefs, and this was done on March 30th in 1951, and I thought I'll do a look inspired by that. Let's jump right into it like I always do. Start with my brows. Brush the hair in an upward motion, and I'm using my ever so popular L'Oreal Lacquer Liner 24 hour in the shade Espresso. Let's follow the natural shape of the brow. Just brush the gel liner, give it that softer, natural look using a flat brush by Morphe. I don't know what's going on with me today. Again, you follow the shape of the brow and the line that you carved out earlier on. And to make it less sticky, I'm using some setting powder, and to avoid any type of cross contamination, what I usually do is take the setting powder, and judging on how much I think I need, I just simply put some on the cap, and you're able to blend it much better as opposed to that if it was sticky. This eyeshadow palette, well, one of the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and again I'm using the Morphe M507, and I think I'll use the shade that I'm using. Using this as a transition shade. Then I'm using this shade, and it's called Twerk. Beam. Primer, and I'm using the Jordana Prime No Pores Pore Refining Face Primer. And before I did that, as you can see, I applied my eyelashes, and these are by Imagine Makeup TT. When you're doing this, make sure your hands are cleansed, clean. Patience. my black opal even true flawless liquid foundation in the shade Heavenly Honey. And with this particular foundation, I believe that a little goes a long way. Because it is a medium to full coverage, so the more you apply, the more coverage you tend to get. So that would be on how much coverage you want. As if I'm cleaning it up with some concealer. Buffing the foundation into the skin, and the more you blend, the more seamless it becomes more skin-like. That's what we're always trying to achieve when you're applying makeup. Today I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. 39 it to what you call the T-zone. Use the under eye area, bridge of the nose, the forehead, and again, how much product you want depends on the look that you're going for. I dampen it with a little bit of water. I tend not to do it before because I find that it dries up a bit more and I just wet it and leave it during the makeup process. So when I'm ready to apply the concealer, I put a bit of water. And the more moist your sponge is, the better the cream product is able to blend. Going in with the Inglots. This is the shade 77 Black. Right, and again I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Tap some more into the lid. And I'm using the Morphe M53 brush, bullet brush, into the skin. And I'm going into the areas where I highlighted with the concealer. For the bronzer, I'm using the medium deep matte bronzer by Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm using the angle brush by Profusion. I'll be going along the cheekbone. And I'm applying contour to the nose area. Using the black opal, neutral lights or velvet finishing powder. And I know you'll see, I've seen me use this a million times. This works wonders. Sweeping away the away from this powder look, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Using Juvia's Place Royalty 1. when you do any bridge of the nose, you can either use a thinner brush like I usually do, like this one, or if you want to use the same brush where you apply it to the cheek, you can just squeeze it with the tip of your fingers. That does the trick. Carissa Canning's Dessert Palettes. And I'm going in with this shimmery yellow shade. Using this one. Just applying it to the lash line. Onto the lip. Cleaning it up with some wipes. What you do when you're doing this, you can use the index finger and wrap it around it. That way you have more control of where you're removing. And I wouldn't smudge your makeup. The colors lip liner in the shade dark brown. Simply line your lip. For the inner area of the lip, I'm using the Key Best lip liner, and doesn't have, does it? And the shade is called Stay All Day, I think. Simply merging the two lip entrails together. That brings us to the end of another tutorial. I do hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and feel free to like, share this video and comment, and I hope you all are safe. My prayers are with each and every one of you, and until we meet again, stay blessed.